Hey, what's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and of course, you're on my Real Internet Cash, money making channel. But I want to invite you to a new YouTube channel. Me and my sister just started called BTFL. About that fit life. Super excited about it, guys. This channel is obviously fitness related. On the channel, we're gonna be doing workouts. We're gonna be having interviews. We're going to be talking about popular stuff going on in the fitness world, whatever the hot new thing. We're going to talk about it, give our opinions, give our tips, you name it. Everything's going to be on that channel. It's going to be real fun. So if you're into fitness or thinking about getting into fitness, trying to lose weight, looking for some workouts, or just straight up nutritional advice and just having some fun, and you about that fit life, check out our channel. Link is in the description. Go over there, subscribe, and say what's up, guys. I see you over there. Peace.